Hi guys, it's me Rose from the Philippines. It's a Sunday, it's August 16, and I don't have any posts. I just want to take a video and try this once again. We still don't have internet, so I wouldn't be able to upload the videos that I've taken. I only have no, I have three, but this is what I'm working on today. Since yesterday. This is going to be Elmo. My ate Didi, she wanted me to make this so she can gift it to my other cousin who has just had her baby christened. It was a party yesterday, a christening for baby Miel. And so we had that event yesterday. And Ate Didi, she wanted me to make Elmo for the baby as a gift because she was chosen to be one of the godmothers of the child. I'm hoping that this will work because his head is really round from the picture that I've taken or from the picture that I saved. And his body is going to be short, smaller but longer than his head. And I'm also hoping that this yarn would be enough for the body, for the arms, and for the legs. Because he has no other features, he has no ears, no muzzle, he only have the head and the body, the legs, and the arms. I still have no progress with my abandoned projects. These are a few items that I did before, but it's on hold. I have just been storing this, so I can maybe sell later, but I don't have the chance to do that yet. I'm going to find the other ones. These are items that I just been storing them. This is a very old wallet that I made, an arch pouch made of cotton mercerized yarn. Nobody has bought this yet. In the beginning, I just had this. This is a variegated yarn. And I'm kind of sloppy with putting the lining on it. So after that, since I haven't sold this, I put some embellishments like the flower and the leaves, but still someone didn't buy that. And I've also made some chalk beads round wallets. Actually, these are hexagonal wallets that have the sign. It has a pattern, a star pattern, and this is kind of like a flower. So still hasn't sold that. And from before, I've been making baby stuff. I also made headbands. This headband, it doesn't tend to stretch much. So, popcorn flowers. And I've also made some of these sandals like slippers. But when I put it on a baby, it kind of slips off. I also made some other stuff that I experimented on, like the variegated yarn from Red Heart. I made some of this bonnet and a set for a bonnet and a booties, but still no customer. Like this. I was thinking about unraveling this and making amigurumi, but I'm kinda, what do you call that? I don't wanna do it because it's such a waste, and I'm yet not used to frogging stuff or crochet stuff that I've worked on. Also, some of the slippers, small slippers that can be worn by newborn babies. Some of that. And Ate Lisa, she returned some of the items that she didn't sell, hasn't sold. So those are this frog design cell holder with a handle. You can put this on your neck, just like this, and then put the cell phone or some ballpen inside, so your hands will be free. I have some cell holders. Some have a face, one has a face and one does not. So I'm going to store that again, or maybe give them to someone, or maybe sell them. And there's this headband, rainbow colored headband. I think if I'm going to sell again downstairs at our garage, I think some of them will be sold, that I haven't been doing that lately. So I put them on this transparent bag, transparent so they won't get dirty. And I have these 5 pieces of the coin purse with back post and front post design. Still hasn't sold them. Actually, they have lining. What I do is that I saw the lining at the sewing machine, and then I saw the zipper and the lining together by sewing it on hand, by hand. I have the violet one. So these are going to be good for when someone buys a big item and I give them this as a souvenir. So the Lisa didn't sell it yet. I have 5 of them. So this is going to be stored again. Maybe sell them later. I don't know. And there are these abandoned projects that I have. Actually, I made the lining for them. I still have to show you this. The booties with the fiery colors. Still have them. And the headbands with... These headbands are knitted. Some have been given away. Here are these bonnets. This one has a shell stitch. And those are going to be stored again. Today, people really like amigurumis. And the amigurumis that ate bought from me, they put on their cars, at the front of their car, so at the back. This bag, I think I'm going to give this to my tita who always gives me my medicine allowance. This is the not so identical from my bag, but it's the same pattern, and it has this Hello Kitty. I haven't been making beadworks because it really strains my hand when I do beadworks with crochet, because it tends to have some different type of force for the hands. So I have that. As you can see, I pre-cut the lining for the bags, but still I haven't sewn them yet. I was busy with the amigurumis lately. So you can see I have been making amigurumis and not that much of the other stuff, because people really like them for now, and it's kind of a seasonal work. So when someone really buys that much from you, you have to grab the opportunity, because maybe they will be bored with it. I don't know. There's this set. This is a baby set. Hello Kitty hat and boots. So maybe that's it for now. I'm hoping to see you guys soon, since we don't have any internet for a week now. But I think we are not going to have internet for 2 more weeks. So I've been saving on videos that I can put together later or upload. So I hope you guys really have a fine day. Here it's sunny, but I think we're going to have 2 storms coming. 2 LPAs, or low pressure areas. So that's it for now. Bye!